Trying to not take a sack.
That when he was meathead.
All white bitch, the messages all white. Many nights and days. Purple Sprite on top of ice. I'm rocking ice on dirty Sprite.
Yeah.
They got it right.
Yeah.
Man.
Over with. Same
Right.
time.
Right. This is crazy. Look at the hits though.
I'm looking forward to.
2012.
Woo!
The Riding Top.
Just being honest.
Honest came out before shit.
Shit.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Young nigga move that, young nigga move that.
Ooh, that's my shit. Crazy.
Yeah.
Mark Madden.
And some flip flop. Bruh.
Pluto, man.
We still got a decade.
Fuck
left.
up some
We
shit.
still got a
Like,
decade
that's
left.
crazy, bro.
Wicked.
Wicked?
And this ain't even all the songs.
It really ain't.
Then you got
Yeah.
mask off. Like, come on. Because I didn't even play shit from Hendrix.
They don't have to. That's what I'm saying.
Don't have to. That's what I'm saying.
A single, bro.
For the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Bitch don't get too comfortable.
Please don't get too
Comfortable
comfortable.
2020, bro.
Had a ratchet in my coat. Too sexy for this.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Still got years left.
That's crazy.
Laughing on Zooters, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess niggas trying to clone me. Run out with my sweat.
I mean, I got a playlist that's like, I know it.
That's
I mean, the
crazy.
playlist, my future playlist is, it'll get you to Alaska, bro. It'll get you to Alaska.
man. Hey,
It'll get
man.
you to the moon and back. It'll get you to
telling you,
Pluto and
boy.
back, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, Flipper and Hendrix on the playlist, you can ride the planet and come back like, nah, I'm finna do it again.
Man.
I just
Bro.
wanna hear my music. Like, these
Bro.
folks. But yeah.
But if I
That's
had
crazy.
ever got a Flipper and Future track, man, come be.
Ooh, that shit would have been hard.
Couldn't miss with that one. So yeah, respect to him, man. The evolution of Future, that was crazy. You know, watch that video. That's
Man.
I don't think people even think about that. But we started like 20. Mine started 2011.
But see, we
Yeah.
had this conversation earlier on the cast, right? When we were talking about passing the torch. Because the folks at the top been at the top so fucking long, it's abnormal to have folks be this good and be so consistent for 15 to 17 years as most of them are edging. And it's just abnormal to be in that era because, like I said, by the 2000s, wasn't no LL in the capacity that they had LL in the 80s. Wasn't no
This
Run
is
DMC in the capacity that they had Run DMC in the 80s. To be able to have a Drake, a Future, acts like Kendrick, Sean, Wale, still going, but more so notably, who I personally name, you know, still going as strong as they are, Billboard
It's
and
still the
everything
best.
else.
Right.
Like you just pointed out, since at least 2010 for sure.
Yeah, for
You
sure.
know what I mean? Man, that's crazy.
Hits. Not just dope music.
Yeah.
Hits. With the dope music, with the impact, with the uniqueness, with the everything. Yeah, that's it, man. Shout out to Hendrix. I don't care what. How you looking for it? Yeah.
Can't forget
Yeah,
the
man.
drugs.
Hey, anybody that's watching, you know what I'm saying?
There's gonna be
Any of my
another
friends,
thing on there that goes. Why
Most
is he always
importantly.
want to bring with the little? And that's on the. I don't know if that's the clip that came out, but yeah, that light bulb is gonna be on there a lot. Thank you,
For sure.
Sanchez, for the drug tips at all times.
Indeed.
Man, if any of our friends watching want to donate some Future wall art to Squad E Studios, please.
Man, you hear me?
I got you. I'll make sure it's prominent in the background doing all of the podcasts and Friends in the Industry podcast.
Oh yeah.